Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, and we're now at August 13th, 2018, about 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Glad to be back from vacation, but had a ball because I didn't work. And that's what makes a vacation, and for me that's unusual. So in looking at things today, what's moving the market, we're getting a little bit of a bounce in a stock market that got the jitters, if you will, off of Turkey at the end of the week last week. We're looking at a market in grains that is trying to stabilize in beans, still down in the corn and the wheat markets, as you can see. In the metal markets, the gold market's trying to probe the 1200 level to see if it can get support there. Dollar giving up some of the money that ran into the market because of what was going on in Turkey. We're also seeing all other emerging markets still under pressure. Nothing is over there yet. And you can see that we're getting a little bit of a bounce in the pound, the euro, and so on. The important thing to keep in the back of your mind, August is notorious in volatility, be it stock indices, be it the financial markets, be it the currency markets, interest rates. You get this all through the month. So be careful, and it's because a lot of people, including me, go away on vacation, trading volume drops off, then the pros come back from their vacations, especially in Europe, where August is a very, very big time of the year for the holidays, as they call them, and come September, it's business back to normal. So something to remember. Now, as I said, even this morning, Turkey's lira fell as much as 10%. That puts the lira down about 45% for the year. You'll say, well, why is that impacting? Because the European banks have a lot of exposure to it. That exposure gets traders saying to themselves, you know, maybe emerging markets aren't for me. OPEC released a forecast this morning that says the 2019 oil demand worldwide is going to fall to 32 million barrels per day, off 130,000 barrels a day from just last month. Chinese customs said that they have taken in a U.S. shipment of soybeans. In fact, there's 2 more cargo loads waiting off the coast. We'll see if they come in. The tariff on that's going to be about $6 million. This isn't little. And the Trump administration has put a number of other countries, Thailand, Indonesia, India, on notice that they could be part of a review going on. Should they have duty-free treatment on a number of their goods or not? 121 countries currently get that. So as the Trump administration goes through everything, we'll see who ends up getting positive, who ends up getting negative. India is starting to buy some cargoes of energy from us. That's important. So we'll see where the Trump administration ends with all this. It's certainly going to be an interesting week when you come down to it. I want to remind you about my commentary. I produce 2 different types of research for you. One type includes trade recommendations along with commentary. The other is commentary without any trade recommendations. Obviously, if you're not going to get the trade recommendations, I can offer that at a steep discount. Do it for as little as $20 a month. Now, if you think about it, that's a very, very small amount to get everything I give you. And what I do in the commentary, actually, is I give you a synopsis of all the events of the day that are leading up to at night for the morning trade, in the morning leading into the afternoon trade, and then go through all that one more time. You can view it on mobile phones, you can view it on pads, you can view it on your computer. There's lots of different ways, in our charting software lets you see this as well. Then I start you off in the morning with a morning video covering 40 charts as I did this morning now that I'm back from vacation. And I've already begun writing the afternoon commentary, which I'll call the 11:30 update for you. That'll carry you through all the rest of the day. For those of you that look at technical studies, one of them that I use, I'll give you the daily numbers for your window envelopes and so on, and I bring it all together for you in a way that I think makes sense. Now, if you haven't tried it, this is the perfect time to do it. All you need to do is give us a call.
You can go to our website at www.iraepstein.com, sign up for it there. You can click up here if you're watching me on YouTube. That'll get you the same treatment. It'll take you right to the page to sign up. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourselves a great day, and I will talk to everybody this afternoon in my end of the day videos. Have a good trading day.